Welcome to the channel. Today we'll embark on a deep dive into the world of passive income and how you could build a passive income with investing only $100 per month in dividend stocks. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or you're a seasoned investor, we've got you covered. Let's explore the steps of building sustainable passive income through dividend stocks. The power of passive income. Before we delve into the specifics, let's understand the concept of passive income. While most of us work for a living, the dream of having our money work for us is truly appealing. This is where dividend stocks come into play, offering a way to achieve financial freedom through consistent, reliable income streams. However, it's crucial to recognize that this journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's unravel the intricacies of building passive income with dividend stocks. The impact of starting early. One of the fundamental principles of wealth accumulation is the magic of compounding, which works best when you start early. Imagine commencing your investment journey at the age of 30, dedicating a modest sum, let's say P100 a month. Thanks to recent volatility, now looks a great time to buy dirt-cheap, high-yielding FTSE 100 stocks like Aviva, Lloyd's Banking Group, Glencore, and Taylor Wimpey. You could buy whenever the market dips and reinvest all my dividends for growth. By gradually increasing your contributions by 10% annually and achieving an average annual return of 8%. You could accumulate a staggering PS 1,216.84 by the time you reach 68. You would have made total contributions of 436 and 852 and generated 7 and 80 and 31 in compounding dividend income and share price growth. The 4% rule for sustainable retirement. Ensuring that your retirement savings last a lifetime is paramount. The 4% rule offers a practical guideline. It suggests that you can safely withdraw 4% of your total savings each year during retirement. In our previous example, following this rule would provide an annual retirement income of PS 48,605. The role of consistency. Consistency in investing is the backbone of success. The earlier you commence your investment journey, the more time you give your wealth to flourish. Both the FTSE 100 and FTSE 250 indexes are home to some of the world's highest-paying dividend stocks. This means that income seekers can collect generous payouts over months and years. Leveraging the potential of dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are your key to generating passive income. You don't need a substantial initial investment or a high income to get started. Regular contributions and a focus on dividend-paying stocks are your avenues to success. The art of stock selection. Selecting the right dividend stocks is an art in itself. Look for companies with a robust history of dividend growth and financial stability. Concentrate on industries with resilience, such as tobacco, telecommunications, utilities, and pharmaceuticals. Most dividend stocks get accused of being boring investments. However, it's worth noting that boredom can lead to fortune as it removes emotion from investing, as has been the case with Warren Buffett's boring stocks. The significance of dividend yield. Understanding dividend yield is of paramount importance. It represents the annual dividends as a percentage of the share price. However, it's essential to remember that a high yield doesn't always signify a wise investment. Quality often trumps quantity. Setting your target income. To achieve your target of $100 a month, you'll need to calculate how much you should invest based on the average yield of your chosen dividend stocks. We'll use an example with a 5% average yield, which would require up to $24,000 investment. The crucial role of diversification. Diversification is your safety net. Avoid concentrating all your investments in a single company. It's vital to spread risk across a variety of stocks to ensure that your passive income remains stable and resilient. Monitoring and adaptation. Your investment journey doesn't conclude once you start. It's crucial to continuously monitor your portfolio, keep track of dividend payments, and be prepared to adjust your strategy as economic conditions change. Building passive income through dividend stocks is a long-term endeavor, but the rewards can be substantial. To succeed, remember to start early, stay consistent, and prioritize quality dividend stocks. If you found this video informative, please support us by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel for more in-depth financial insights. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments section. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.